All right, friends, we're going to go on a hike this morning, and there's a really pretty trail right by my house, so I'm going to do that trail. And then also, just to make it a little bit more interesting, we're going to do a scavenger hunt. So I'm going to put the list of what I'm going to be looking for right after this clip, and then I'm going to show you pictures of everything that I find on that list. All right, and you can also come up with your own list, but this is just the list that I have come up with, and I hope y'all enjoy it.